Assalamu alaikum. Sometimes client give us low-res pictures we use their project. I think most of the people face the problem. In this video, I will show you how to pass through this problem using AI. I gonna use the website name replicate.com, AI based website to scale my pictures. Here are some models. We will use GAPGAN models. Here you can see an example. We will do the same. To use, you have an GitHub account. I have an account, so I logged in. I have 3 pictures to do this experiment. Firstly, I go this picture submit. Look at that, how difference created before, after, before, after. It's look crazy. Next I go to this picture and scale it. Look at that. This is the picture before and this is the after. Look at the eyes, how details capture it. Next I want to go this Lionel Messi pictures and submit it. Look at that. Look at that, how details capture it. That's how you can easily scale your pictures and good resolution on it, and you can easily download from here. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you.